Okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing this stuff called cyberclean. What it is it's a high-tech cleaning compound, and it gets the little dirt and dust out of places that you can't get with your rag and spray. So this stuff is really cool. I've actually already tried it out. And right here I have a home and office, and I have automotive, and then I have another home and office in a tub right here, which is the one I've already used. So this stuff is really cool. I'm surprised somebody hasn't already came out with it yet. So I'm going to read the back of it to you right here. It visibly removes dirt and dust, enhances the performance of your devices, it's unique and reusable, and it leaves no residue, and your hands stay safe and clean. So right here on the back, this is the maximum cleaning capacity, and this is when you need to replace cyberclean. So this stuff is really cool. But I'm going to go ahead and set these two to the side right here and pull my laptop up. Okay, so what you do is you pull it out and you roll it around in your hands for 10 seconds like so. This stuff is like really fun to play with. So you press it down on your keyboard and you push and then you pull it up. Oh wow, that's really gross. I thought my keyboard was clean. I guess not. That is really gross. So when you want to reuse it, you flip it over, reuse it again. What I really think it's useful for is these little ports right here. Press them in there, and then you pull it out. Wow, that is really dirty, and I would never have been able to clean that with anything else. So if we would have had this like back when Sega Genesis and Super Nintendo came out, we would have had it made. Wouldn't have had to blow in the cartridge. So yeah, this stuff is really cool. I really recommend it if you like have any dirty devices that you can't get clean. This stuff is really cool. So I'd like to thank cyberclean for sending this out for review, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.